Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to post a community tab on YouTube. So let's get started. So you guys are probably wondering on how I got this feature even though I'm below 500 subscribers. Well, YouTube opened this feature to channels under 500 subscribers. So that means that I can use it even though I've not reached 500 subscribers. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go to the right hand side of your screen and you're gonna press create. You're gonna see these three options: upload video, go live, and create post. You're gonna press on create post. Don't worry if you don't see this, it might be because you have to wait 2 weeks before your channel receives this new feature. So when you're done, you're gonna see something like this. And then you're gonna type in what you wanna say. I'm gonna just say, hi guys, I'm going to post another video soon. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. So I'm gonna drag an image. There we go. And then I'm going to just post something random. Post. So that's how you do it. If you want to do the other features, you can click on them if you want. So you can do image pull. Do you get that? So you can do image pull, you can add options, all sorts of stuff that you want. You can press cancel and you can go ahead and do text pull. You can go ahead and do text pull, which is like this. And you can cancel and you can do a video. You can post a video on the channel. So, without being said, see you guys in the next video.